Hey there, welcome to the Money Maestro. Are you tired of feeling like you have to give up all of your favorite things just to save a few bucks? Well, what if we told you that there's a way to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle? In this video, we'll show you how to keep all the things you love while still saving money in the process. Today's topic is all about saving money without sacrificing your lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years to help you save money while still enjoying your life. Stay tuned till the end. Before we get started, I want to encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest money-saving tips and tricks. So go ahead and click that button, and let's get started.
How to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Introduction. Saving money can be a challenging task, especially if you don't want to sacrifice your current lifestyle. However, with a little bit of planning and some changes to your spending habits, it's possible to save money without drastically altering your lifestyle. In this article, we will explore some tips and strategies for saving money while still enjoying the things you love. Create a budget. The first step in saving money is to create a budget. A budget will help you keep track of your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Then, subtract your total expenses from your monthly income to see how much you have left over. This remaining amount is what you can use for savings and other discretionary spending. Prioritize your spending. Once you have a budget in place, it's essential to prioritize your spending. Determine which expenses are essential, such as rent and utilities, and which ones are discretionary, such as eating out or buying new clothes. Focus on cutting back on the discretionary expenses first, while still allowing yourself some room for fun and enjoyment. Look for ways to cut back. Cutting back on expenses doesn't necessarily mean you have to give up everything you enjoy. Look for ways to save money on the things you love, such as finding discounts or using coupons. You can also consider alternatives, such as cooking at home instead of eating out or taking public transportation instead of driving. Automate your savings. One effective way to save money is to automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account or investment account. This will ensure that you're consistently saving money without having to think about it. Find ways to earn extra income. Increasing your income can also help you save more money. Consider finding ways to earn extra income, such as freelancing, starting a side business, or selling items you no longer need. This extra income can be put directly into savings or used to pay down debt. Monitor your progress. It's essential to monitor your progress regularly. Review your budget and expenses each month to see if you're on track with your savings goals. If you find that you're not saving as much as you'd like, look for ways to adjust your spending and cut back on expenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, saving money doesn't have to mean sacrificing your current lifestyle. By creating a budget, prioritizing your spending, looking for ways to cut back, automating your savings, finding ways to earn extra income, and monitoring your progress, you can save money while still enjoying the things you love. With a little bit of planning and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more secure financial future.
Investing carries risk and there is always the potential for loss. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. It is important to thoroughly research and consider all investment options before making any decisions. All investments involve risk and you should always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This article is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful.